Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making garlic butter baked pork chops. Alright guys, I'm starting out in a large skillet I have preheating. And I'm going to add some olive oil in here. And I have some boneless pork chops here. Dexter, what are you doing? Dexter's talking today, guys. I'm going to get these in here and I'm going to brown them. We're not cooking them through, we're just going to brown them. And I'm going to season them with a little salt and pepper on both sides. Alright guys, now that my chops are all nice and browned and they're not cooked through, we're going to do that in the oven. I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of butter in here. And this here is salted butter. You could use unsalted if you're on a low sodium diet. And I'm going to put some garlic in here. Now I'm using the already pre-chopped stuff in the jar. I'm going to get that down in the butter because we're going to spoon this up over top of the chops. I'm going to go for about a teaspoon and a half. If you use fresh garlic, use like 2 or 3 cloves. Now there's some fresh thyme here I'm going to put in. And if you don't have fresh thyme, you can go ahead and use dry thyme. That'll work just fine. Thyme and thyme. I'm a poet and I don't even realize it. Okay, now let me grab a spoon. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take some of this butter and we're going to spoon this up over the chops. This garlic butter, I should say. And guys, Dexter's playing games on me tonight. When the camera's off, he's walking like a son of a gun. And when the camera goes on, he gets all quiet in there. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my chops in a 375-degree oven uncovered for about 20 minutes till they're baked through. The reason I'm going for 20 minutes is because these are thick chops. If you have thinner ones, you might want to go for 10 or 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and get these in the oven, and when they're ready to cool out, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, my pork chops are done. I checked them with the meat thermometer at 165. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some mashed potatoes and corn to go with this. Let me get in here and try this pork chop. You guys may say I eat a lot of mashed potatoes. Well, comfort food is my thing, guys, and I love mashed potatoes with gravy on them. But I put some of that butter sauce over top of the pork chop. Nice and tender. Well seasoned, cooked through. You can really taste that butter and garlic coming through there, guys. That's really good and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Garlic butter baked pork chops. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.